guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today we are going to try some new products in my collection and create this very simple, fun, colorful, yet a little bit glamorous makeup look. And I've used the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation to show you how it looks on my skin. And I've used some new eyeshadow, some lipstick. So we are going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a chit chat, not a full-on get ready with me style, sort of like a chit chat makeup tutorial. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see which other products I've used for creating this makeup look and what I think about the products I've used today, please continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I don't have anything on my face because I'm going to try a new foundation. We are not going to apply any kind of primer or any other products, and we are going to create a very simple, easy, everyday going out kind of a look, fun look, a little bit colorful maybe, because I'm planning to use some of the multi-chromes which I've used or which I've purchased recently. Okay, let's apply the foundation. We are going to try the new foundation in my collection, the Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is supposed to be a glowy, very easy, everyday friendly foundation. It is long lasting, has pollution defense technology in it, and I've got the shade 10 Warm Chaud in this foundation. Earlier I had reviewed this foundation. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation, and in this one I had got the shade 9. Now that 9 shade was a little bit light for me, so for this foundation I went for the shade 10. I haven't really tried this foundation too much. I have worn it 2 times and I really liked the consistency. It's a really nice everyday kind of a foundation. It's nice and not too much glowy, but it has a glowy finish. It's not a matte foundation and it doesn't give a lot of coverage, but it looks very pretty. This is how the foundation looks like. It comes in like a squeezy tube with a pump, and really pretty, luxurious packaging as all Charlotte Tilbury products. I'll just take a little bit. This is the shade 10 Warm Chaud. Let me apply a little bit here. The undertone of the foundation, which I had previously as well, it was very nice warm undertone which matches my skin undertone very nicely. So I figured 10 also will be good. And it's not a very liquidy foundation. If you could see earlier, it's a medium thick foundation. It's not too thick, not too liquidy. It's a nice consistency. I think it will blend also pretty nicely. Yeah, like I was saying, it's a little bit too close to my skin tone. I don't mind it. I don't mind wearing it because usually I apply concealer for underneath the eyes and then brighten up my face. But I will have no problems blending this foundation out because it's a good match for me. It's a little bit too close a match, I would say, but I think I'm okay. 9, I am not too confident how 9 would be. I am NC 44, 43.5 by the way, for reference. It's very lightweight by the way. The texture is super nice. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin and it blends out very nicely. You can see I have taken about 3.5 pumps so far, and it's not looking very overly done on my face. Okay guys, so that's how the foundation looks like on my skin. 10 Warm Chaud in the Charlotte Tilbury new Beautiful Skin Foundation, and I think it's a good shade match for me. My skin tone has lightened a little bit these days, so maybe this is like a too close a match, but I don't mind it. I will highlight in the center of my face and make it work. If you are around 43, NC 43, 44, you can try out either Warm Chaud or 9 Warm Chaud. Do let me know if you have tried this foundation, which shade have you tried. So far loving the finish of the foundation and feels like a nice, sort of like a little bit more high coverage BB cream sort of a product. But yeah, as you can see, there is a little bit of concealing which I'll have to still do underneath the eyes as well. It is not a very high coverage foundation, but it can give a nice coverage and it's still not settled, so definitely you will have to set this foundation with powder. Okay, so let's apply some concealing. So for underneath the eyes, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath concealer in the shade M15. So this will nicely brighten up the face. And for around the mouth, I'm going to use the NARS concealer in the shade Caramel. I've already reviewed these 2 products before, so I'm not going to talk too much about these products. I can probably use some color correction here. It's looking a little bit grayish today, but it's okay. I don't want to bother now. So I'm going to the concealer, the underneath the eye. Need to brighten up and cover up a little bit more. The foundation didn't do enough. So if you're looking for a very high coverage dewy foundation, then this foundation doesn't give a lot of coverage. Definitely the Fenty foundation is what I would pick if you want to go for a more high coverage. The Fenty Dewy foundation is my favorite. So that's how the foundation is looking right now. I'll go and apply powder to my eyebrows and then be right back. We will do the eye look and probably add some more colors to the face. Okay guys, so I've already applied powder on my face and I started doing the eye makeup. Then I realized that oops, I have completely forgotten to turn on the camera. So just a little bit of eye makeup. I'll show you what I was doing. But before that, I want to tell you that the real beauty of this foundation you can see after you have applied a light dusting of powder, especially a light translucent powder. Today I've used the Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder and it just gives us such a beautiful finish to the foundation, and the face just looks super natural and yet glowy and not overly made up. So yeah, I love the finish, especially after applying powder. Love the finish this foundation gives. Anyways, let's go back to this eye look which I was doing, just a little quick colorful eye look which I'm planning to do. So I'm using this palette which I have showed recently in my one of the haul videos I have done. This is the Oden's Eye Annette collaboration. This is the Giant Wolves palette. This is how the palette looks like. So I've used this color right here. It's a very beautiful indigo blue kind of a color, very pigmented. So I've used that matte to do a line here, and I have a small little wing right here, and now I'm using this purpley toned pink color in my crease, just blending out and just adding some color. That's all I'm doing. So let me just do it on the other eye so that you can see what I have done. So taking that blue, it's a very super pigmented blue, so just applying it as a liner. I'm not doing like a full-on very intense eye look today, just a little bit of color. We are going to do a very simple look, and you guys know how much I love these kind of looks which are simple yet colorful, and I think that's what I'm going to show you on this channel now, to create simple yet colorful looks. So did a little bit of a wing right like this, and then I extended it inwards following the if you have noticed, I have like a crease line here, like I have a double crease on my eye. So that's why I'm following the first crease line I have right here. That's it. I'm just going to extend it inwards until there. That's all. And then with another brush, I'm using this kind of a little bit of a pointier, smaller, fluffier brush, and taking that purpley pink and just applying in the actual crease line. I said I was going to do a simple look, but if you give me colors, then I'll just go on and on and on, and I don't think this look is going to be as simple. But let's see. Now I'm just blending the blue with the purple a little bit so that it doesn't look too sharp. Actually, I wanted a sharp liner look, but I think blended is going to look much better. So let's try. Okay, now we are going to go into my duochrome palette. Now this is a new duochrome palette which I have single duochromes from not exactly duochromes, they are multichromes from Clionadh Cosmetics and Glaminatrix Cosmetics. There are so many of them. I'm going to do a separate video on these, but right now I want to use one of the Clionadh colors. So let me show you. So I'm going to use this one. This is the shade Flouresce from Clionadh Cosmetics. This is a bluish purpley multi-chrome, and it is super beautiful. It's from the Luxe Series 2 Iridescent Multi-Chrome collection. So you can see it right here, this one. It's very pretty. So I'm going to use a little bit of that. I think I just apply it very nicely with my fingers better, and I'll just blend it out with my fluffy brush. These are so pretty. they will not look like as out there at first go. At different lights they look different, and it's not going to look as intense as it is looking right now in the camera. It's not going to look anything, but yeah, when you move your eyes or in certain lights, this is going to look like this. It's beautiful. It's a lot of shimmer and glitter, a nice flip of green, blue, purple. Okay, so I think that's going to be my eye look. I'm going to finish up this eye, put liner and everything, and be right back. I don't know if you can tell, I have that multi-chrome shade all over the eyelid, so it may look like in some places it's not there, but it's there everywhere. So let me just do a finishing touch. I'll just blend out the crease a little bit, and then I think we are done. We are keeping it quite simple. This also, some people might feel like it's not simple, but yeah, it's like, it's a fun look. You can do it pretty quickly. I actually wanted to use one of these blushes, the Danessa Myricks blushes, but I forgot after applying foundation. Let's apply, I think, over the powder. Let's see how they look like. Let's do that. I've actually filmed a video of swatching all the shades. I will edit it and then I will definitely post it. So I will use this blush palette. I hope my foundation doesn't get ruined. Do you want to see how it looks, how it patches up or doesn't patch up? This is how the foundation looks like, by the way. Take a good look. I think we are going to do an experiment with the blush. So I'm going to use this color right here. This looks like a mauve color, but it's actually kind of pink on my skin tone. So let's just apply that. This is that shade. I don't want to apply with a brush. I'll just apply very gently with my fingers. Let's see. This is also an experimentation how it works out on powder. Yep, my foundation looks like it's definitely moving. This was probably a mistake. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not looking that good. It's best applied over foundation, guys. Best applied over foundation. I think it's not looking good. Okay, let me try to fix this. Let's ruin the other side as well, then it will be even. So what I'm doing is, right now I am using the same foundation brush and just blending it out. Okay, let me apply some powder on top of this, and then we'll apply a little bit more blush. Okay, looks good. Nowadays I've been loving this blush from Hourglass, which I had purchased I think last year. No, last year, before that year, 2020. And this is the shade Vivid Flush. I've been wearing this like almost every time I'm wearing makeup, so I'm going to use this shade itself. It's a very beautiful pink shade which gives such a nice glow. And recently I had been out on a little staycation, and this is the only blush I have carried. Gives a nice glow to the face as well. Okay, so I don't want to wear any highlighter. I have just applied this light subtle glowy blush so that you can see how it looks, especially the foundation, how it looks. Now let's apply the lip product. For lip product, I'm going to use this new ABH lip liner which I've showed you guys recently. I don't know if you have seen the video. I have already filmed the haul. So there's a new ABH lip liner in the shade Cool Brown. Very nice formula. I'm using it for the first time. It's gliding quite nicely. Sometimes these kind of lip pencils, they do not want to glide. They're quite dry. This is gliding nicely and it has a nice pigmentation. And I'm going to use this satin lipstick in the shade Rose Brown. I had swatched it in one of my videos. So these are the new ABH lipsticks. This is the satin lipstick in the shade Rose Brown. Super beautiful, very interesting, cool toned brown shade, and I am loving it. I don't have shades like this, and very interesting. I always see like movie stars or on television, they apply lip shades like this, and I've always wondered what kind of colors are those. Very cool tone, but they give such a nice effect to the lips, like it's your your lips want better kind of look. So I think that's what I have now with this lipstick, rose brown. Loving it. And I've paired it up with my lip liner, the ABH lip liner as well, in the shade Cool Brown. So yeah, I'm loving this lip combo, blush and the eye look. Okay guys, so that's the video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it and you got an idea of all the products I have used today. I'm in love with this lip shade. I hardly wear colors like this, but I think this just complements the lip color, I mean the eyeshadow and the makeup so well. I'll be wearing this a lot. Do let me know what you think about this makeup look which I had created, and if you used any of these makeup products, then do let me know in the comment section as well. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, then I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.